The biggest problem with the Insta360 X6 might not be its camera quality, battery life, or new features. It could be the number on the price tag. Because if the latest retail leak is accurate, Insta360 may be asking buyers to spend significantly more money than they did for the X5. A Best Buy listing reportedly shows the Insta360 X6 Standard Bundle at $699.99 in the United States, while the Essentials Bundle is listed at $769.99. These prices have not yet been officially confirmed, but if they are accurate, the X6 would be around $150 more expensive than the Insta360 X5, which launched at $549. That is a much bigger jump than we have seen in previous generations. The Insta360 X4 launched at $499, while the X3 started at $449. So, Insta360 had generally been increasing prices by around $50 between generations. The X6 could completely break that pattern. Earlier rumors suggested a price closer to $549 to $599, making the new camera much easier to justify. But European retailer listings have also reportedly pointed toward a higher price, with the standard version around €689 and the Essentials bundle around €789. So why would Insta360 charge this much? The answer could be the biggest upgrade hiding inside the X6, its sensor system. The X6 is expected to feature a new 1.1-inch class sensor architecture, which could be a major step forward from the X5. This isn't simply about putting a larger sensor into the camera. Insta360 appears to be redesigning the imaging system specifically for 360-degree capture. A larger sensor can potentially improve image quality, especially in difficult lighting conditions. It could deliver better low-light performance, cleaner details, improved dynamic range, and more flexibility when shooting at night or indoors. And because 360 cameras have to capture an enormous amount of information from two directions simultaneously, sensor improvements can make a noticeable difference. But the sensor may only be part of the story. Leaks have also pointed toward multiple AI processing chips, a larger battery, Replaceable Lens 2.0, and 8K 360-degree recording at up to 50 frames per second. If those specifications are accurate, the X6 isn't looking like a small upgrade over the X5. Insta360 seems to be positioning it as a genuine flagship 360 camera. And that's important because the X6 won't just compete with the X5. At around $700, it will have to fight for attention against premium competitors like the DJI Osmo 360. The Essentials bundle could make things even more interesting. At a reported $769.99, it's only $70 more than the standard version. If the included accessories are items you would purchase separately anyway, the higher-priced bundle could potentially offer better overall value. Thankfully, we won't have to wait much longer. Insta360 is expected to officially launch the X6 on August 12th, when we should finally get the confirmed price, specifications, and complete bundle details. For now, the key numbers are simple: around $700 for the standard bundle and $770 for the Essentials bundle. But the real question isn't whether the X6 will be better than the X5. It probably will be. The question is whether it's $150 better.